In particular, we will be giving the ability for the civil servants to design projects, enhance their skills in human resource management, public finance management, monitoring and evaluation in the civil service, especially at this time when we have increased demand for collaboration and cooperation with the international community. Focusing on building capacity of the civil service to enable them actualize the New Deal Compact, the Vision 2016, and other federal government of Somalia strategic programs into tangible changes. Under the New Deal Compact, both the government and the international community committed themselves to capacity development as a cross-cutting issue necessary for the implementation of the compact, and also stressed for dedicated support to the national core functions, including the central government, the civil service management, and public sector capacities.
Amisom has done a very great job, and it has been spot on. If we look at the civil service is the nerve of the state, and the state in Somalia has collapsed and it is now being recovered. So this recovery process needs emphasis on critical areas, and one of the critical areas is the civil service. So I believe that Amisom, through its political unit, has done something very great in terms of targeting, because it has the ability to mobilize resources, at least within Africa, who have context of what's going on in Somalia. For example, our team was from Uganda. We are a post-conflict area. We've had experience in some southern Sudan, in Burundi, and through sharing these experiences, I believe that the Somali civil service can benefit a lot.
I like to help such Somalians, like employees, needed to get. Right now, I have very good capacity building for that. So the capacity building, and the Somali needs more capacity building in this country. You know, Somalia, you know, this collapse about 23 years, but the capacity building is very interesting, and Somalia needs to make a capacity building, such like that training and more trainings.
In partnership with other agencies, international agencies, particularly in collaboration with Amisom, we do a lot of trainings, capacity development, capacity buildings, institutionally and individually, both. And thanks to Amisom, we have done a lot.
wax badan maamulka iyo maareynta yaan ka baranay sida ay kala hawsha loo kala leeyahay yaan ka baranay yani aad buu ii anfacayaa.
A number of them have been trained here at Uganda Management Institute and at other places through Amisom support. We've noticed that some of them, one, have advanced in terms of their career. Some of them have got promotions. Two, their skills and knowledge has improved drastically. I recall that when we were having these sessions, some of them now are even yearning for more deeper specialized training, which means that the basic broad issues are now being captured, and we need, as Africa, as Amisom, to go deeper into very specific professional areas. So in that regard, I think there is a very huge transformation in terms of knowledge, attitudes, and skills amongst the Somali civil service. And they appreciate it themselves, because I've just finished drafting the training report, and they're saying that this training they've just gone through as part of the accumulation of other trainings before, they feel that they are getting better and better at the workplace.
waxaan ka rajaynaynaa inay sii kordhiso maadaama dalkan uu waqti badan burbursanaa shaqaalahana ay u baahan yihiin in la soo dhiso oo sembri dadka shaqaalaha waxay u baahan yihiin in tababaro la siiyo oo la bara habka u shaqayn lahaa iyo qaabkii dadka loo dhaqmi lahaa waxaasoo dhan in la bara loo baahan yahay waxaan rajaynaynaa in la kordhiyo oo weliba hadda agaasimayaasha guud baa la siiyey madax qaybadada agaasima waaxidka waa hadda madax qaybeedka shaqaalaha hoose in la tababaro ayaan jeclaan lahayn taasa aad maaragtay aan rajaynayna